Hey, look at this. Chicken wings, so tasty, so yummy. I'm the barbecue expert. I'm the bride expert. Wow, look at this chicken tikka. God, looking nice. Wow. Looking so delicious. God, yes. Oh, hi. Look at this marination. This is what they call it. Malik. Lahori kitchen marination. We've got to thank your mum for this. She's marinated it and we're grilling it on proper charcoal. This is what you call lumpwood charcoal, restaurant grade. Wow, look at that already. How nice to look at that. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Whoa, look at that. Look at this fella. Whoa. How about that? So, are we going to enjoy the barbecue today?
Yeah.
Yes. I think we're going to enjoy it. I think we're going to enjoy it very much. It's smelling lovely. Yeah, look at that smoke coming out. Wow. That's what I call a proper bride, man. This is cool, man. Cool. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. I can feel the heat. And when you feel the heat, you know it's going to be a good barbecue. This is going to be delicious. Water is coming out of my mouth. Oh, water.
Just say bye now.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching a beautiful barbecue.